Good morning, everybody. Welcome in. It is Thursday, November 3rd. We had FOMC yesterday. So, numbers came out, 75 BPS, as expected. Market pops, as expected, because it's priced in, obviously, right? Jpow gets on, starts talking nonsense, saying, okay, we're still going to die regardless. We need to do more basis points increases than we thought. Yada, yada. Killed the market. So we're back down. We were at 388, 389. And then we sold off all day. We're at 372 now. So old Jpow is trying to get his boys some cheaper entries again. It appears they didn't have enough on this last run. They got to load the boat again after his comments. But we'll see if we bounce today. We got the jobless numbers coming out, I think, at 8:30. We need half of America to be living on the street to get a good run today. If it's better than expected, if people actually have jobs, if American citizens, hardworking American citizens have jobs, then we're screwed. That is my morning rant. What's up, Broda? Good morning. Discipline. Mike Z, Mike R, and AC. How's it going?
NBB.
Why is chat box wasn't popping up? Got B. What's up? What up? What up? Welcome in. Appreciate you guys. Some of you coming back for the second stream yesterday. We did a quick little second stream for FOMC. When I left, everything was looking okay, but I didn't expect Jpow to say, you know, the world's ending at 2:30. So if we'd have stayed on long enough to see that the world was ending by Jpow, then we'd have saw that huge sell-off. So this morning, not a whole lot of action. Couple gainers, 48%, 47%, 34%. So a couple things, but nothing crazy. It says, is my trade idea screwed up? Yeah, my trade ideas had yesterday's gainers up still. I was like, what the hell? We don't have FRZA and all that again. VRAX, daily like FRZA. Okay, cool. I'll pull it up in just a second. What's up, Snacks?
RKDA.
So our top gainers, just disregard what I said entirely. 30%, 23%, and 22%. All penny stocks. The first one over $1 is VRAX, which is what Discipline's talking about. I think they had some kind of COVID PR. It does have some range on the chart. First target. $250, probably, if it can really get rolling. I hate these companies that continue to have COVID PRs, even late 2022. Like, you know, we got it. But it does say RSV, influenza, COVID, triple virus. So that's pretty good, I guess. That's pretty good. RSV is a scary thing for, you know, kids. If you have any young kids, that's like what you fear the most of them getting. I don't know if you've ever seen videos, but it's terrifying. Some kids have to go to the freaking ICU for RSV. So 8 a.m. gave me that ugly candle again. Makes it hard for me to read the chart, but is what it is. It is up. Pre-market high to it just made it, right? 214, 213, 214.
CGC. CLEU. ABEO. NRXP. ABEO. VRAX. ABEO.
No thanks.
ABEO.
I was looking for a different playlist, but anything look decent? You know, we got this VRAX. It's up. Mr. Owens, welcome back. 7-week vacation. Living the dream, baby. Welcome back. Good to see you. AGFY, okay. That daily, it sold back off a ton, huh? After the reverse split. Did it ever have an offering or no? So it has been diluting a little bit. But nothing crazy. See what Finviz says. AGFY's float is.
RYAM.
Finviz is frozen. Okay, 3 million still, so that's probably not right. It's probably a little heavier, but level 2 looks pretty thin. I had up or 2 things that I was gonna watch today, and I completely already forgot them. Gotta pull up my mobile trade station for just a second because I made a watch list on here. So yeah, AGLE was one. AGLE, ARAV, and FRZA. Just in case this pops up here. Hold on a second. I'm just gonna flip to here. Alright, so what did I say? AGLE, ARAV, and FRZA. I've got the playlist on shuffle right now. This is more of like a dubsteppy song. It's not bad. They haven't offered yet? Okay. Because I saw that PR that said like update on their at the market equity program. So as of October 26th, they sold a total of 6 million shares. But like from when to when though? As of October 26th, from what?
MBTA.
From 5 years ago? Like, wait, never mind. Which was established on October 28th. Okay, so they announced the at the market equity program on October 18th, and as of October 26th, they have sold 6 million shares. So that's why it's sold off like so hard. And they've just been actively diluting. But my God, it freaking got wrecked. This was, what, $20? Beginning to question this song now. Oh, okay, gotcha. BPTS up 37%.
CS. Beaks saw.
What is this up on?
VRAX. PSHG.
So, yeah, jobless claims. Pretty much the big thing at 8:30. Estimated 220 million or 220K. Sorry, 20 million. It's like 3/4 of the U.S. Market would go up on that though. 220 million unemployed. Hell yeah, let's rip. VRAX.
BFLY.
See that? I don't like this. See how this is barely tick 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 tick, and it faded off, and then it ramped up. Like, why? Why are you moving like that? Why you did that?
NBB.
Market looks kind of shitty this morning, so I'm being extra cautious. Taking shares off pretty quick on a scalp, especially through high day. Was that it? This thing is clear, like I said, when Dispo was asking right at the beginning of the stream, it's a 250, but okay.
BSFC.
Bids are kind of thin here, but the asks are thin as well. I've only got 500 left, but what a lame breakup there. 16K bidder now. Okay. So I want to see if they hit him and he survives. If they hit him and he goes immediately, it's going down. But if they hit him and he survives, then I'll buy. Or I'll add back in, I'll say. Interesting. Okay, 2 bidders now. Honestly, 4 bidders, really. of decent size. Apple pauses hiring. Market should have ripped on that. Because pausing hiring equals unemployment equals Jpow giving Mooey thumbs up.
OP.
Thought we were about to get the breakthrough right there. There's only 4K on the ass. What are you doing? Of course. And be careful here. Okay, this is it. If you're gonna go, you gotta buy through right now. It's flagging the 1 minute. Should push hive day. There we go. Don't be a fake out. 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 Please don't be a fake out. Please don't be a fake out.
CS.
Sold half. Not playing games this morning. We take green when we see it. This should be hive day on this candle though. And it's not going to give it to it. They can still push hive day next candle, but... See? Look at that. Gross. Okay. Bidders came back in. 224, 225. Needs to push through 227 right here. Straight to a 230 test on this candle. This candle fails, it's going down. 100%.
BPTN.
40 seconds left. Yep, gotta add those little wins up. Especially today, it seems like shit. Alright, I'm not letting it go below my average here, 219.
AFIB.
I'm gonna put a 218 just in case it, like, slips through. We still got 10 seconds, but it looks kind of ugly. I guess it could still go next 1 minute candle. If they close this candle strong. Okay, 10K bidder here. There's the hero. You really don't want to see him go away, and he's already gone. Okay. Come on, VRAX. You got room to 250. I like these nice bidders here. These aren't like bid props. They're like actual bidders that have moved up. Like here, they got here, 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 and here.
Pa.
Solid size to them. The 1 minute setup does not look good anymore. Like, fantastic. If they ended this candle maybe at highs, it would look better, but
STLA.
I don't know. See how it's like this right here should have sent this candle through hive day. I'm out. Was that a trap? We'll see. Probably. Like a fake breakdown type trap.
PHG.
Just go down if you're going to go down. Yeah, this, if you take the chart and erase those last two candles, this next candle, like 9.99 times out of 10, is a breakthrough, or a test, at least a test of hive day to 230. But then it just got nothing.
ARAB.
TMBR announces halt of common stock trading. Interesting. Okay, now the ask are starting to stack up. The bid side was way stronger than the ask, but now it's flipped.
Eric. AFIM5B. CUK. CCL.
Yeah, so we got two 10K asks there. I mean, those can easily get eaten. There's a 20K bid right below, but I don't know. I don't know how to feel about it. That may have been it.
FSR.
Give me 221.
VRAX.
Do it yet. So 16K here, 10K here, 16K here, 10K here. So a little bit to get through. We still got two 15K bidders though. Where'd the volume go as soon as I literally tapped it?
ADTX.
Come on. Sold half again. You see what I'm doing? I'm being quick this morning. No reason to screw around on this. Mental stop on my entry once again. This should test 230 right here.
TISI.
227, 228, come on. 29. Okay. Take a little bit more off. 29. Got half my position left now. And do one more actually. You don't want to see that breakthrough level and then high of day by 1 cent. I wanted to really kind of see a skip right there. Okay. Yeah, thanks for putting my eyes on it. That may have been it. You kind of got that weak, poor high, I guess you could say. Only have a quarter position left, but looks like they're trying to fade it off here. Yeah, I'm out. Made 500 bucks on it, but I guess I could have sold all here. But when you see that, you know, the level we've been trying to get to and test all day, comes up to it, test it, breaks through, but only breaks through to trade 1,900 shares at high of day and then right back under. You don't want to see that.
STLA. LTRY.
Given it could take another stab at it, but then you've got this candle that's kind of an outlier. It's just floating. Because this one is trading right where this one is. And it's an outlier to the top side. So like if you saw something selling off and then you saw like a candle down and the next candle open higher. So you go candle down, this candle trades low, and then this candle trades higher, you would think, okay, a reversal's coming to the upside. So this is kind of the opposite. You see candles up, one break up through, the next one trades in the same spot as this one did. So you would think, reversal coming down now. But I am just watching it on a 1 minute perspective. So if you go to the 5 minute, you really don't see all these little jabs. It's just been, straight up sideways 5 minute candles. Got about 2.5 minutes to those jobless claims. Remember, we want to see everybody jobless. You don't want a soul to have a job. Glad we're still getting moves like this, even though we're getting moves like this. That is good. We don't want a market correlation to a small cap with good news. And it's only up 33%. But I say it, I feel like a broken freaking record. All we need is good price action. We don't need 1,000% runners every day.
ARAB.
You can trade the moves on a good price action stock over and over and make enough to survive forever. But you just need that good price action. All right, about 1 minute till the jobless claims. This is trying to go again. Let's see if it breaks through. Almost looks too enticing. But 250 to 266 is really the level. Even 240. I mean, you could end your year either way. One way or the other, you end your year. You end your year by completely going to zero, or you end your year by, going 5,000%. I had a put going into FOMC, but it was like 375. I went like extra. And it was like 8 cents, and I sold it like 3 cents.
BOD.
Okay.
CUK. CCL. AFIB. AFIB.
Look through this news real quick. If you guys see the jobless claim, just put it in chat if I miss it.
KC.
Okay, jobless claims, actual 217, forecast 220. Uh-oh. People have jobs. Uh-oh. But it says continued jobless claims, actual 1.48 million, forecast 1.45 million. Initial jobless claims, actual 217K, forecast 220K. Things getting a little toppy.
BCS. B. AFINYB. RSI. AFIB.
Nothing really at 8:30.
CS.
This one reads well, but it's like insanely thin. Okay, this one's pulling back now. B-Rack's pulling back. Um,
HIBS. IOBT. SGLY.
market frozen. I feel like it's been at 372.40 forever. It's like halted up, or well, not halted up, but it's halted. Yeah, I don't know.
PHG.
I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't see anything.
CLEU. VOD.
AGLE, ARAV, FRZA, and STRY. My top watches so far. Besides, you know,
TSLL.
B-Racks being up on news.
STLA. SOXL. WEBL. Eric. Sen.
Hey, Robin. Good morning.
LABU.
Yep, market's reaction now. People have jobs, so here's what you want to see in the market when people have jobs. Big red.
XPEV.
I don't care what SPY does as long as we keep getting this
VRAX. BCS. V.
in one stock or the other. I don't care. It'll eventually be higher. Only people should be worried about SPY being higher right now is people getting ready to retire within the next, 6 months. All I care about is if the stock that I'm currently trading is trading with good action and moving higher. All right, this is getting some bids again. Okay, that one got smashed. Oh, that one pulled. I'm gonna wait for a second. I don't want to get suckered into high day buying.
ARC. VRAX.
There it goes. Guess I should have just got suckered into high day buy. Come on, man. Refresh at 236. I know, right? At least they added in some other headlines. Thank God. They put RSV and flu as well. Thank God. If it was just COVID, that'd be stupid. Because RSV's bad right now. Already starting up. Doing it again. Big upper wicks here. 32K. This was the refresh. So it traded 40,000 on like maybe 5,000 ask.
CVNA.
It's a battle right here. 48,000 in ask and, 15, 20, 30K in ask or bids right here. Decent buying pressure. Another 20K. Oh, actually 20K pulled down.
VOD. PHG. DB.
Well, it's kind of frozen in place now. They're just playing the big ass big bid game. Before I get suckered into this, I'm just gonna go play Wordle. In honor of Powell's speech yesterday, Start out with death. Okay. No, can't be that.
RETL.
Oh God, that doesn't help. Maybe it's audio this time. Finally. Nope. But close. So the D isn't here. Is that French? Adore.
NWG.
This is one of those words I've never heard of before in my life again.
EQX.
Edug. Okay, it's not that. A's not here.
PRVB.
So allowed.
WETGRAX.
Boom. Splendid. Already got it.
TARC.
I'm right at 500. Just traded that one stock. VRAX. It's still going.
PRFX.
It's coming up to the red zones though. You got this wick here, 242-ish, 250 psych, and then 266 to 50.
Eric. LYFT.
Every ask is like 10K now. Every time that the bid starts to get smashed, somebody comes in and saves it.
Stone.
I don't really want to play it up here. It's a little bit too far for me. On the 1 minute, look at the 5. The 5 is just floating. But if you go the 1, it looks much smoother. Contexto? No, I've never tried that. What is that? That'll be something else for our slow time. This thing's catching. 250 big psych, as always. If you're newer and you don't know what psych means, it's like a psychological level. It's like a whole dollar, like quarters, and by quarters I mean like 255, 750, 10, 1250, and so on. It's just a level that, you know, people look for as a target when there's not actually a specific level there. Yeah, they're pushing it up with a lot of bids. The bids just keep walking up with it. Good trade though. Good trade overall. Pretty smooth. Good price. This is what you're looking for good price action. Just, you know, follow the EMAs. It started to break loose a little bit right here from logic, but to the upside, which is good. High relative volume over the past 3 minutes. See if we get a poor break of 250. 266, the 50 on the daily. Today more than likely be a hit it and quit it day as well. And I mean, having this chunk already helps. If I can hit one more trade that's decent, be great. AGLE still looks good. FRZA looks meh. ARAV has been very wicky, but it's continuing on the daily. STRY starting to pull back a little. It's at 30 now.
CDLX. NIO. CBNA.
Let's pull this up and see. All right. You have unlimited guesses. The words are sorted by an artificial intelligence algorithm according to how similar they were to the secret word. After submitting a word, you will see its position. Okay, let's just try with stocks. See what we got. Stock. Okay, not even close. Fruit. Very close to fruit. Apple. Not close to apple. Orange. A little bit closer. Vegetable.
JBLU. Tall.
Corn. No. Broccoli. Is that how you spell that? Is it 2 C's? Okay, not even close. Okay, we're going the wrong direction. Vegetable was really close. Fruit, vegetable, dairy. No. Really close to the word vegetable, and fruit was close as well. So it's like food types. Grain, meat, plant. Okay. Tree. Oh, we're getting there now, baby. We're getting there now. Flower. We're really close. Grass. No. Closer to a flower. Closer to a tree and flower. Tree and flower. Rose. Okay, a little bit further away. So it's not a type of flower. Just similar to a flower. Weed. This word doesn't count. Okay.
Riot.
Bush. No. This is pretty interesting. This will pass a lot of time. Come on now. What's close to a flower and a tree?
CD.
Leaf? No, going the wrong direction. Flower, tree. So it's a type of plant. This is Contexto, Broda. Potsy just told me about it. So it said that you just guess, you get unlimited guesses, and it ranks how close you are, and the actual word is number one. And it's got to be similar to like, so we're heading in the right direction with plant, vegetable. I'll try shrub, just so I'm looking at chat. Okay, see, so it is a type of plant. It's not grass, it's not flower, tree, not fruit. Close to a flower. But it's not a specific type of flower. Already tried that. What's another thing that grows in the freaking soil? Yeah.
Stone.
I don't know. You guys got anything? I'm stuck here for a second.
Sigh.
Close to flower and tree. Bloom? No. I mean, I'll try it. Alfalfa. Didn't like that. Is it a part of a flower? Like the stamen? No. Okay. I don't like this song. I don't know. I mean, maybe. Yeah, let's try that. Let's try to go that direction.
STLA MCBT.
That was it. That was it. The
ICL.
play. Okay, so I was thinking of the actual items, but it's a place. That's pretty cool. I like this. Garden lawn. I don't even know what that is. Courtyard, botanical.
Apps.
Okay. I like this. So this is each day now. Let's see if they got like an unlimited. Anything happening?
XPEV.
Yeah.
Tall.
We'll just wait till tomorrow, I guess. Yeah, that was cool. I like that one. Okay, VRAC's fading.
BFLY. DNA. KC. API.
Maybe we get something at 9 a.m. news. That's in minute and 40-ish.
LYFT. HOFT. CVNA.
B-Rack's trying to push back up, but now we're at the beginning of, you know, these dump trap swoosh candles that I'm not a huge fan of. You guys know that. But let's try to push back up. Could be getting the hashtag, oh, excuse me, hashtag ponytail push. It is up 50% now. It is excellent to see a 50% runner with the market looking like dog shit. It really is.
BDRY. MFGP.
Oh. We never get this much 9 a.m. news. What the hell? Will you stop? I'm trying to read.
CGC, JBLU, ENVX.
NURO had a PR, former runner.
XPEV. Stun.
Don't specifically see anything else
NURO.
that looks fantastic. Mark got a little PR just now. GERN presentation. Nothing phenomenal though. Neuro 189. Daily was kind of really sold off on NURO. That's why it's bouncing, I think, right now. Not really doing much though. It went from 180 to 190 and that's it. GRNQ had a PR. Incubity Company. Selman's plans to go public on U.S. capital market.
GRNQ.
Maybe Neuro's PR is today's fake outbreak PR.
Turk. ABEO.
feel like there's one every day, 8:45 to 9 a.m., where it sounds okay. It's on a something that can move, and it just does not move.
IQ.
Now it's getting bought up. What the heck?
TMF.
Neuro's all over the place. I don't know what this thing's doing. I'm watching it closely just because it's a former runner, former huge runner. Remember the day we had it ran to freaking like $25.
SPRC. EGY.
More 9 a.m. news. 4 and out.
FTCH.
Now it doesn't look like Neuro's gonna go. I tried it. Came back $200 on it. VRAC's fading off now. Yeah, market's trying to hold 371, it looks like.
DVD.
And a lot of news today.
MEGL. Veil. TCBD. XWEL. SID. Tub. BFLY.
There's VRAX going back up a little. No way, Neuro just made new highs. Hold up.
Find.
VRAX did out of nowhere. Neuro did. Oh my gosh.
Tall. TCBD.
STRY getting a little bit of penny volume again. The one that ran yesterday to like 40 out of nowhere.
Stun.
VRAX trying to break through and hold high of day here. And then NURO survived the bottom. Trying to push higher now.
CLF.
I think STRY probably needs through 35 cents. They're tapping it up though, that's for sure. NURO now 185. Man, that was nasty for a few minutes. Hey, Philip. Morning. Looking at a couple of different things. Top gainer or our watch list, and I guess I'll add Neuro to it now. This is their top watches for the day.
GOL.
STRY up to that 35 test now. Neuro pulling back just a little bit.
LAZR.
Some of these songs are really good. Some of them get really repetitive, but some of them are really good.
TME.
Germany. Nice. Welcome in.
Table.
Glad to have you here. We're here Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. every day. More news. AFMD partnership. Something. Yeah, a ton of news today.
OILD.
I've got people in the Discord that play options, play futures, play whatever. I mainly just trade stocks, just common stocks.
ICL. BFRI. UGP.
I'll probably take my usual break here in just a few minutes.
Yell.
Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and do it right now. Nothing's really moving. Just keep BRAX on watch, NURO, but for now, not a whole lot. I'll probably be back in like 2 or 3 minutes.
WETG. Lyle. AFMD. Tark. Snap. GRNQ. APCO. COMM. Riot. Eric. AFIB. LABU. NURL. AVDX. API. APCO.
All right.
RDFN. APCO.
Yeah, the daily looks like it could flush really on that KWEB you're talking about.
QTNTNT. CLF.
Neuro testing highs here.
NURL.
Man, that's frustrating. I took a $296 loss on that actually. Went as high as 190 and then decided, okay, let's just go all the way down to 170. Disgusting.
RKDA.
Is what it is though, I guess. We got about 8 minutes till the bell.
NWG.
B-Rax sitting on the 9 on the 5. It could get a push right at open and then maybe fade. If not, if it pulls back, it may do a hammer candle. AGLE, very low volume. It could pull back a little bit maybe and then push. ARAV is a super wiki one, but the daily is what I'm watching. This just, you know, liquidity potential blow off on ARAV. FRZA, the one that had news yesterday. Whoops. You'd want to see it hold 230, really. It could go a little below, but you'd want to see it hold 230, I think. STRY. Needs back over 35. It just ran randomly yesterday. And then Neuro. It did flag on the 5 minute, but it was flagging within like a 20+ cent range with no bids. So finally broke loose here. Kind of did the old Nike swoosh. But Neuro, let's see, over 220, and then there's a little gap to around, you know, 275, 280. That's where the 50 SMA is as well. So through to to 220 through 220, probably 250 to 275. I was very confident this was going to pop too. That's why I was in heavier than normal, just because Neuro's a former runner, usually a good follow through stock. Yeah, this is the time where you look for those relative strength stocks. Amazon is up right now, and look at it on the that's not the daily, it's the weekly. But yeah, see, it's very sold. And it's up this morning, so it could get a better bounce than some of the ones that are actually holding their gains. Remember, Amazon had bad ER a few days ago, right here. Neuro up to 2 again. About 5 minutes to go. Oh yeah, we gotta do Weddle.
SHPH,
CDAK.
SNDL. URG.
Wide receiver, AFC. East, okay. Younger than 28. Oh yeah, he's over 6 feet, my bad.
FUBO.
Okay, so it's the Jets wide receiver, and that's the guys that I have no idea.
OIG.
I had to look up his name. Corey Davis. I gotta go let the dogs back in. My wife's busy. Hold on.
MRUS.
All right. Let's see, we got 3 minutes left. Let me take this over here. Take this.
AFIB.
And there we go. We are ready for open. Neuro through 204, 205 here. So bid stacking in. Neuro's getting volume now. So I guess everybody decided, okay, nothing really else has potential. Let's just push into this thing now. Thought for sure it was going to go after the PR, but it looked absolutely nasty. Where'd it go? Yeah, look at all this. But then it had the candle that ended at lows, which everybody always loves, and then looks like algos turned on, because once it starts, you know, going straight up in this perfect line, it's like algos are buying, and now it's kind of getting that liquidity blow off. Appreciate the likes, guys. Thanks for the comments. As always, keeping the chat rolling. Appreciate my members, green names in the chat, supporting the channel and becoming members of the inner circle. The little extra benefits. Got about 30 seconds till the bell. If you are green today, do not give it back. If you're red, please do not snowball. Just wait for another day, another setup. I'm up decent this morning. Gave back a little bit here. Made a little bit back on STRY on that first push. So I'm just going to chill. I'm going to go very small to start the day. If something starts catching, then we'll start going a little heavier.
VRAX, NURO, AFMD, AVCO, Room, RCKY, SRGA, AVIV, BPTS, HGBL, FLME Plus, Lyle,
Kind of froze up for a little bit. Okay, Neuro pushing down.
WETG, SCK, HDSN, SRS, AMPL, Run, JUPWEWB,
A lot of bids on VRAX.
No,
Low 240s.
HIBS, INFN,
They're fighting right now. Needs to get back over 250 on VRAX.
HDSN, CLSD, WETG,
Okay, VRAX trying to fail even though all those bids are there. Wow. Market off a cliff. Neuro down.
MD, CLNN, CELZ, HTO, NURO, Run, BSFC, BPTS, HIBS, NRDS,
Okay, nothing really trying to break up quite yet. Watching this STRY hammer. Neuro kind of had a fake break up there. VRAX, I thought it was going to bounce, but it's going straight down. So there's STRY hitting the scanner up to 34 now. Needs over 35. I did take a position. 20K shares at 31.8, which is only $6,000 worth. So it sounds like a lot of shares, but it's a very, very cheap stock. I just want to see it over 34, or over 35, I mean. They're opening the spread up really big here. Trying to kill it. What is going on with this thing? Needs up through 34 and up through 35, and I think it's good to go.
CLSD, BVH.
Okay, 33.89 on the ask.
TTSH.
That's a big hammer on the market there, yeah. SPY, big hammer.
NRDS. AFIB. AFIB.
Okay, I cut out of that for now. I didn't like what was going on
TCPC.
at all. Could still definitely go on STRY. It's just acting weird.
STARGBMEO. BFLY plus. HDSN. Dust. SNDX. TCBP. INFN. AFIB. IPX.
Market trying to fade just a little bit here.
FLME plus. HTOO. HDSN. WETG NRDS. PTLO. SMWB AFMD. TCPC.
What are you going to do, market?
ABVC. BTU. Ing.
You bid prop and SPY for us, Broda?
HDIW. FLME plus. INFN.
Okay, under 371 now.
SNDX. FLME plus. WETG. AFIB. HRZN. BTU.
Amazon little bounce.
TCBP.
92.20s, 90.30.
HDSN. RIG. UK.
Amazon's strong bounce, even though the market's kind of fading here.
NRDS. LGHL.
Got a nice little scalp on Amazon there, Philip. Appreciate you bringing that up. Took 500 shares at 92 and sold 92.60. Yeah, Mike, good job, good job. Same thought process as me. I had 592. I already scalped out just because, you know, today is one of those days where I just feel like I need to be in quick scalp mode. Just take my 50-cent gain per share and roll on.
BVH. Ztaku. RIG. BTU.
And it helps to look at the, you know, overall market when small caps may not be moving that much. Go trade Amazon. Go trade, you know, NVIDIA, AMD, Snapchat if you have to. And then if all those aren't really moving or they're melting up, move on to the solars like EMPH and Plug, FCell. And if those are mounting up, then you move on to the miners. Mara, Riot, etc. Man, I should have held. I hope you're still in, Mike. Hope you're still in. 93 now, 93.10. I took a quick scalp on it just because I'm being very conservative today, but I did have 92 as well. This would be one of those things like, oh, I had Amazon on November 3rd at $92, and it's next June, and this thing's freaking like 180. Just like Nvidia, I had Nvidia at 109.70 or something, or 108.70, and now it's at 130.
TGLS CLNN
AC, your AGFY had a push down candle underneath 140 and then back above.
BVH BLCO NRDS SLNA Ztaco Day STNA Deo ARAB Skill
All right, market looks like it's trying. Oh, it stopped you out by a cent. That's a disgusting candle, though. That looks like halt down material. Okay, let's cycle through our top watches again. VRAX on the 20 and VWAP. Trying to bear flag a little bit. If it goes below like 230, out of play for me. AGLE, no volume today.
VBNK
ARAV, pushing up. So it's melting up. It's doing the same shit it does every day.
Lind UA HTGC
Yeah, it's pushing $2 now. I don't really feel like I got an edge playing this though. It's just kind of straight up. FRZA spilling. It's down to the level it really needs to hold, like 225, but looking pretty ugly. Okay, STRY off.
TGLS ASPS IVAC
Yeah, for real. Yeah, Amazon looks good now. Neuro, pretty toppy after that initial push. I feel like 180 is the level it needs to hold, but I don't know.
PTLO
I'm having a good day.
HDSN
I can't have a bad day tomorrow, though. Last Friday, I gave back a lot. I couldn't get a green trade to save my life last Friday.
MVSTW IVAC LFBN PBLA
Man, that 92 on Amazon. We're gonna regret. Well, I'm gonna regret selling that. It's gonna be like Amazon's low forever or something.
TGLS RGS
PMI in 15. Oh, I didn't know that was today. PMI.
DRTT. Paul.
Oh, mine says 9:45. Or on this Market Watch calendar, it says 9:45 a.m. S&P U.S. Services PMI final.
Hood. PRVB.
So potentially in the next 15 seconds.
NGL. Hall.
U.S. Services PMI final actual 47.8, forecast 46.6.
Hood.
Oh, ISM. Is that it? The one at 10? Yeah, ISM Services Index. Okay, gotcha.
BVH. EEX. Dust.
Nerd Wallet is ripping today. Straight the hell up.
PMTS. ORCC. MBI.
VRAC's trying to buy up the bear flag right now. It could be trying to set up a box. We'll see. I'm not interested in buying it right now, but
GHL. HSDT. Allo. INZY. CWAN. True. CELZ. IREN. MDGS. Seco. FHS.
okay, VRAC's full fade now. It looks like Neuro full fade.
BNRG. AESE. RMNI. BGFC.
The list is getting smaller and smaller here.
NRDS. WPRT FLWS FDMT
Excuse me. I'm about to sneeze again.
TGLS FDMT Hi ATUS TMFX Hi
So if it's good means if it's bad or if it's good. Because I don't know anymore. I don't know how to feel about anything anymore. I know nothing. I know nothing. ARAV doing it. There's no edge on that one though. All right, sucks to hear that, man. Sorry. Have a good one.
GHL ARAV PESI ARAV CLNN
This thing gonna freaking rip.
GHL Satch AFCO NUWE HTGM CLNN GHL INV CJJD FDMT CCNC
Okay, that's good. Yeah, as long as you keep the loss small, that's okay. I'm trying to wait for after this 10 a.m. who's and what's it to try to take another trade. Neuro may be at a bounce zone here. It's hard telling though. It's really freaking sold off.
BGFC
Guess not. Straight down.
SRGA MDGS
I don't know. I guess nothing's gonna bounce unless we get that 10 a.m. news and it, you know, rockets the market back up.
Lays ATUS UK Farm
Still 7 minutes till then though.
OTMO
390 to 360s in one day, thanks to old Jpow.
TTSH.
Imagine that.
STRY Lays. CNF DWSH CPH STRY.
I'm not entirely sure, actually. Let me look.
SMDD
Yeah, CPI on Thursday next
CYA
week.
DBGI AAPD RCRT GRPH Zest XAIR DBGI DBGI GRPH CLRO PRST TIG DBGI LIXT XAIR
DBGI pushing 10 cents. Freaking cheap one.
CRVS VSTM HLBZ TCBP CRVS
Nasty day, huh? Oh, thanks to Jpow. Interesting. STRY recovered.
VRAX DFLI PRVB GHL MJXL STRY DFLI AAPD CPHI
Watch STRY through 35 here. I'm watching it.
STRY SDD
Whoa. 38.
WISA INV
All right. 1 minute until that PR comes out.
CLNN INV DWSH. IDP. OTMO, XFOR, SRGA, SRGA, Clower, IAGCFY, HLBZ, FDMT, CRVS, FDMT, CAPR, BNRG, SIT, JGH.
All right, what is this? What do these numbers mean, bro?
FDMT, Dust, RXST, TTP, RXST,
PMI actual. Okay, so actual PMI actual lower than expected.
AFIB, sticks, INB, FLL, SKF, SONM,
But we're still dropping.
STRY, DBGI, YE,
Lower than forecasted though.
QTT, MDWD, STRY, PIII, STRY, NRDS, AMRX, APTO,
Man, I keep taking my eyes off STRY and it's ripping.
NRDS, NEO, VCAW, Sub, TTSH, Sub, turn, VRAX, PRVB,
Market's trying to digest it here, trying to get back above 370.
Read show, Kern, BEPH, DZZ,
There's 370.
MBI, hey, RVLP, ABUS, AFACU, talk, CYRN, BLON,
Ooh, big fake out there. Got me good on STRY.
Grov.
Big came in, slapped the ass. They pulled the bid and smashed the rest of the bids.
AMRX. MBI.
All right. Well, I'm gonna call it
GOG.
before I end up going red on the day. Good pre-market, nice follow through on BRAX. Everything else been teetotal shit all day. So another day. Maybe we recover a little bit. Market's trying to bounce just a fuzz here. Good luck today. Don't get back any gains, and I will see you back here tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. for Friday stream. Catch you later.